Hey everyone, figured we'll go ahead and do another lock picking video, and I got all these locks here from Den Brass, so I figured I might as well try to pick one or two. Not both of them in the same video, of course, but I want to go ahead and start with this Hickory hardware. It's West Coast Picks lock. I really like Harley's locks. I mean, he can make some crazy hard ones that give you no feedback at all, or he can give you some really fun ones that give you a lot of feedback right before the feedback stops, and then most likely it's just a T-pin or something. But his locks are pretty damn fun to pick. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Click off 3, 4, 5, couple clicks off of 2, click off of 1. That put me into a false set. So now I'm checking for spools or T-pins. I'm in a deeper false set after hitting 5. And my false set deepened up just slightly off of 2. And this is the point where I'm talking about where you have no feedback left on a West Coast Picks lock. I'm not feeling much of anything right now. I want to switch to a little bit taller pick. Looking for the smallest trace of feedback. I literally have a feather tension on here. It's still not playing dice, so I'm actually going to go to a deeper hook. And might as well zoom in a little bit too. When I set the camera off to the side like I've been doing, it's easier for me to pick, but it's harder for me to keep track of what the focus on the camera is doing. Okay, so nothing is proffering up any feedback at all. But I'm going to chance pin 5. I got a little click. Oh wow, I'm in a super deep false set now. That is one of the deepest false sets I've ever had on a lock. And there we go. Oh man, nice little lock from West Coast Picks, and this one is not named. Den Brass, thanks for sending me this thing. That was a good little pick. Okay, this one has one of them type of clips. I'm not even sure if my Handy any clip removal pliers will take care of that one. But we'll give it a shot. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm going to turn that a little bit, grab a shim, and my follower wherever it shall be. Probably, if I can get this drawer closed, it'll probably be in the top drawer. There we go. Not the one I was looking for, but it'll do the job. Or maybe not. This one fits. It's a little tight, but okay, so looking at the plug, I see threads in 2, 4, and 5. I've got a serrated in 1, a finely serrated in 2, a pin and pin key pin that goes all the way through for pin 3. Pin 4 is a serrated, and pin 5 is a serrated. But I'll zoom in on these pins just like normal. Show you what they are, because they always deserve the close-up. That shim was in there tight. Okay, I've got a pin and pin in 1. I've got a T-pin in 2. I've got a serrated in 3. I've got another pin and pin in 4. If I can grab a hold of it here, I'll get that last pin out. That last pin is also a pin and pin. I'm seeing varying spring pressure, threads in 5, 4, and 2. Wow. This might be the first West Coast Picks lock that I've picked that I actually saw threading in the Bible. Alright, so let's go ahead and zoom in on these pins and show you what we got. Alright, if I can get a hold of it, I've got this finely serrated, real fine serrations on there for 1. Another finely serrated with real shallow, narrow serrations. I've got this pin and pin spool on, if I can get it back together, 3. There we go. And it sits like that, and it goes all the way through to the bottom. Then I've got this serrated here, also with really fine serrations. Then I've got another one with also with very fine serrations. And then let's look at the top pins. This is a pin and pin spool where the bottom of the spool is serrated, and the pin and pin also acts as a T-pin. This one we have a T-pin spool, a serrated, another pin and pin serrated spool, T-pin, and a wedding cake pin and pin that is also serrated. Very cool pin. Awesome work, because it kept me out for a good few minutes. Den Brass, thanks for sending me this lock. I really appreciate it. It was fun to pick, and I always love picking West Coast picks locks that I haven't picked before. He makes great stuff, and even though this one is probably one of his earlier ones, it's still a damn good lock. So thank you very much. Everyone else, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.